Hey guys, मैं हूँ मिस मालिनी और आज हम आपको ले जाएंगे behind the scenes of Bollywood with Tiger Shroff, Sonakshi Sinha and Kangana Ranaut. Follow me. इस हफ्ते क्या सीन है with Bollywood?
आप बताइए कि didn't you go to meet Tiger?
Actually वो यहाँ पर आए थे. You guys were missing in action. बहुत ही क्यूट थे and I've been dying to meet him क्योंकि वो बहुत ही sophisticated है और मैं जानना चाहती हूँ वो कैसे बात करेंगे. जब मैंने उससे पूछा कि आपका कोई celebrity crush है, but he said,
I've had a crush on Shraddha growing up. She was in my school. I could never tell her that, but
now she knows.
now she knows.
But about the Tiger crush thing, जब हम श्रद्धा कपूर से मिले और हमने उनसे पूछा कि टाइगर श्रॉफ ने कहा that he's been crushing on you since like childhood. तो श्रद्धा कपूर actually had some very interesting things to say.
It feels really good to be working with Tiger. We were in the same school, and I asked him this. I was like, "Really, you had a crush on me in school? I didn't know this." And he was like, "Yeah, I did, but I didn't have the courage to come and tell you." But I think it's sweet, no? I mean, yeah, it's sweet.
Very cute. And the best is, Shraddha Kapoor का सबसे बड़ा celebrity crush है Hrithik Roshan. And actually, Hrithik Roshan is Tiger Shroff's biggest mentor. तो एकदम full circle एक कहानी बनानी चाहिए. Picture, love triangle. Shraddha, Tiger and Hrithik.
हाँ तो पेरिस में फाइनली क्वीन का स्क्रीनिंग हो रहा है और कंगना कितनी अच्छी लग रही है. शी इज लुकिंग अमेजिंग. बट आई रिमेंबर मैंने देखा था जब आप मिले थे उनसे एंड देन यू आस्क्ड हर कि अगर क्वीन रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन होता और अगर कंगना को करना पड़ता वो सब तो वुड शी गो ऑन अ हनीमून अलोन?
Yes, I can. I'm capable of doing that.
कितनी badass है. She said this sounds like something कि मैं ही करती.
She can't go by herself. क्योंकि I have to be with her. It's very important that तुम लोग समझते नहीं हो यार ये सब. Yes.
Recently, Sonakshi Sinha got majorly trolled on Twitter again. But I really like Sonakshi क्योंकि वो हमेशा stand up करती है और वो वापस जवाब देती है सबको. And this time, after she stood up for herself, Sonam Kapoor और Priyanka Chopra actually came in support of her, saying that way to go girl and this is the way to deal with it. तो मुझे बहुत सही लगा ये.
And actually you're right. जब मैंने सोनम कपूर का इंटरव्यू किया था, she actually said कि celebrities अब काफी thick skinned हो गए हैं और जो ट्रोल करते हैं इतना उनको बुरा नहीं लगता.
You don't realize that you usually as actors we actually heavily criticize ourselves way more than anyone else would. So it's not that we're already hard on ourselves, and these kind of things kind of validate some of the stuff they say. So it could be hurtful.
But actually सोनाक्षी से याद आया, I have a blog idea for you. काफ़ी बार मैं अब सेलिब्रिटीज़ को इंटरव्यू कर चुकी हूँ उनकी वैनिटी वैन्स में एंड वाइब बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होता है. सोनाक्षी ने कहा कि वो काफ़ी बोर हो जाती है अपनी वैनिटी वैन में.
So tell us what it's like in your vanity van.
It's like how it is.
You spend a lot of time in here?
Not that much because I don't like being in a confined space for too long, so I just use it to get ready and then I'm out. But yeah, like I do end up spending time in between shots and all. But my van is like one big happy family in here. I'm not the kind of person who'll be like alone over here and I'll send my staff outside. My staff is always with me. It's like one big party every day.
Oh, fun. So what do you do for fun if you have to like sit in the van if it's raining outside?
We watch TV, and if the signal's gone, we put on some music. We chit chat with each other, and there's never a dull moment actually.
Nice. Take selfies.
Yeah, take selfies. If nothing at all, I just pass out. Oh yes, yeah.
इमरान खान काफ़ी गेम्स खेलते हैं, तो जब मैं गई थी इमरान खान और निखिल अडवाणी के साथ हम एक नया कार्ड गेम खेल रहे थे. जब मैं करीना कपूर को इंटरव्यू करने गई थी उनके वैनिटी वैन में मुझे थोड़ी देर बैठना पड़ा, मगर मैं अकेली थी तो कितने मैंने सेल्फीज़ और फोटोज़ लिए. मगर मुझे लगता है कि रणवीर सिंह का वैनिटी वैन सबसे कूल होगा. एनिमल प्रिंट एवरीवेयर, मिरर्स ऑन द सीलिंग, है ना?
Well, obviously it won't be cooler than mine. मेरा भी है. आपने देखा है मेरा नीचे बहुत अच्छा है.
एक दिन मार पक्का.
एक ऑटो को वैनिटी वैन नहीं कहते हैं बाबा.
अगर क्या सीने पर आपको हमारी बातें पसंद आए then make sure you follow us on Zoom TV, on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. और बहुत सारे गॉसिप के लिए log on to missmalini.com.